Rauan Khassan, TradingView. How are you?
Excellent.
Thanks for
Excited to be
coming.
here. Thanks for having me.
Well, we're seeing a huge surge in crypto trading and interest. How are you and TradingView experiencing it?
Well, I believe we are crypto native. Our first crypto feed has been integrated back in 2013.
Yeah.
So you can fact check what the price of the feed has been. And at the moment we are aggregating more than 40 crypto feeds. And excited to see this bull run finally taking the 2024 crown from the historical interest of overall commodity and gold markets.
It's very interesting, but are you experiencing a certain interest in a certain direction from traders?
So what we are seeing and what I've mentioned on the panel earlier today is that we are definitely seeing a pattern of high migration between FX CFD and crypto traders, i.e. the user profile, the trading type of that audience is quite highly overlapping, and they are primarily following the high risk, high leverage opportunity. So whenever the volatility is improved, let's say as in the commodity markets at the start of the year or since the last months in crypto markets, we are definitely seeing this cross-acquisition opportunity between FX and
Interesting.
crypto.
Interesting. What can brokers learn from different client journeys, in your opinion?
In terms of client journeys, I believe we target quite a consistent trader profile. When you think about someone who is using TradingView, you are likely thinking about year two experienced and self-directed trader who's willing to invest additional resource, its time resource, also the subscription fee resource, into own understanding of the market rather than sitting on the phone with the dedicated wealth manager or just going into the copy trading funnel. So that's definitely about empowering and empowering the journey for making the self-directed decisions.
Mm-hmm. Which lesser known instruments are out there?
On lesser known side, and I think it's a less capitalized opportunity, and we need to be patient to see this idea eventually evolving. But what we are seeing from the aggregating experience is that we've already got supported multiple asset classes across multiple geographies, and we do support multiple brokerages and exchanges globally. What we are yet to see is the opportunity for global traders to unlock global opportunities in the market. So my prior favorite example has been Brazil. I got introduced to the exciting opportunity of Brazil stock market, let's say back 7-8 years ago, thanks to working closely with our international growth colleagues in that region. And I just recognize that it is still quite challenging for the retail trader to get the access to that market opportunity once they have this identified. So we've already got the platform, we've already got the facility to do that, and I hope we would see a positive progress on those few remaining points in terms of onboarding, accessing global markets, so to provide even more trading opportunities for the global trading audience.
Mm-hmm. Can you share some plans you have for 2025?
So we are definitely looking at extending further our market asset class coverage. We've just tapped into the option, and the response has definitely exceeded the expectation. Options trading is immensely important in both India and the US, our core markets. At the same time, we have a mid-term opportunity for covering mutual funds, fixed income, structured products, and we see just baby steps from retail-facing brokerages and services to introduce and onboard end clients to those funnels and avenues. So I think this is mid to long-term opportunity around those additional asset classes. And then we are definitely expecting to double down and introduce more engaging opportunity to our core retail user audience around the league competition. We've started this in a very raw alpha version, and we've seen that even with that very initial implementation, we've already got close to 100,000 of committed users participation. So this is something that can be certainly and easily improved with by an order of magnitude.
Very interesting. You know, education is very important for brokers. How can brokers get a breakthrough or enhance their education level or
Got your point. I would rather invite brokers to get away from the regular thinking of building those default building blocks, i.e. Using the same markets, instruments, platforms, payment providers and educational content, and rather think what would be their individual message, what would be their USP, what would be users understanding what they can achieve or access via that specific brokerage. So that can be education, and that's definitely a vital point, but you need to think one stage deeper. What kind of education are you providing? Is it some mentorship around the market behavior, or is it rather a further education around the indicator building and backtesting, so some sort of technical background. So it's immensely important to have the individual message crystallized so that users can clearly understand that they are not moving around the ever-extending number of competition, but rather define that this specific partner can deliver that specific quality, being that the education or any other competitive advantage on feature set.
Last question, how are you enjoying the event so far?
That's excellent, but for this now.
Great, thanks very much.
Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you.